This is a quick tutorial to show you how to use Google Meet. You will click on the link given to you by your teacher and then click Join Now. Once you're in Google Meet, you can click on the microphone button at the bottom of the page to turn off your microphone. You'll know it's off when it's red, and at the top of the screen where your small picture is, you can see the red circle. To turn your microphone back on, you simply click on it again, and then by your picture, you will notice that there are 3 small green dots. That means your microphone is on. You can also turn your camera on and off. Click on the camera picture at the bottom of your screen. This will turn your camera off. You can click on it again to turn your camera back on. If you want to turn on captions, you can click where it says Turn on Captions, and you will notice that the things that are spoken will be typed. You can turn this off again by clicking Turn Off Captions. There is also a chat area. If you go to the top of your screen and click on the box with 3 lines, it opens up the chat area where you can type questions or comments for your class. There is also a tab that says People. If you click on it, it will show you who is in the chat. I notice that I have 3 green dots on my picture, which means my microphone is on. If I go to the bottom of my screen and click near the bottom, I will get my bar. I can click on the microphone to turn my microphone off. Finally, to exit out of a chat room, I can click on the red X at the top corner, or I can click on the red telephone at the bottom center of my screen. Now you know how to use Google Meets. Have fun!